Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the master code on the Kwikset Powerbolt 2 in 2026. Now, first of all, before starting the programming or before programming the Kwikset Powerbolt 2, you need to make sure of two things. First of all, you need to make sure that the door stays open just like so. The second thing is that the deadbolt is unlocked. After doing so, you need to enter the current master code over here, and for new installations the default code would be 0000. So after entering the 0000 code or the master code over here, you need to simply press this particular lock button once. Now once you have done that, you just have to simply press 7. Then after pressing 7, you need to press the lock button again. Then you need to enter the new master code that you want to set for your lock. Afterwards, in order to save that particular master code, you need to again press the lock button. Now your new master code must be between 4 to 10 digits, and if it is successful, the lock should beep twice, and Kwikset notes that 3 beeps usually means the programming failed and needs to be repeated slowly. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.